Hello everyone, welcome to Chinyasha channel. Today we are going to prepare mouth-watering exotic biryani for seafood lovers. This is one of the delicious biryani that I wanted to share with you. That is yummy prawn biryani. Taste is absolutely incredible, which is a must try. So for the prawn biryani I have taken 1 kilo of medium sized prawn. You can see it's been washed, cleaned and deveined. Here I'm gonna make fresh paste for the biryani. So into the mixture jar I'm adding 6 to 7 green chilies, handful of mint and coriander. After adding all these three ingredients, I'm adding little water and I'm making it into a paste. Now for this recipe I've taken 1.5 glass of rice, that is about 500 grams. Make sure you wash it, clean and soak the rice with enough water for about 30 minutes. The spices we are using here are 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, half tablespoon of pepper, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 4 cardamom pods, 2 allspice leaves. You can replace allspice leaves with bay leaf also. Today we're gonna prepare the biryani in the clay handi. So heat a clay handi and add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Both ghee and oil should be of equal proportions. Add few cashews and fry them till they turn golden brown. Once done, keep them aside as we're gonna use them for garnishing purpose. Now into the oil, add 1 inch of cinnamon stick and half tablespoon of pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Now I am adding 4 cardamom pods. Now add allspice leaf. Instead of allspice leaf, you can add bay leaf also. Now I am adding sliced onions. To this, add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now it's time to add the freshly blended green chili, mint and coriander paste. Fry them well, let the raw smell go from the masalas. Now add 1 tablespoon of garam masala and half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now add 2 tablespoons of salt. Add the cleaned prawns. Drain the water from the rice and add half kg of soaked rice. To 1.5 glass of rice, add 3 glasses of water. That is, to 500 grams of rice, I am adding 1 liter of water. Close the lid and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. The speciality of the clay handi is it acts like a hot pack and it takes very less time for cooking. After turning off the flame also, the ingredients inside the clay handi will be cooked for next 5 to 6 minutes. After 15 minutes, add another spoon of ghee onto the rice and mix well. Yummy prawn biryani is almost done. Now garnish the biryani with the fried cashews. Biryani lovers, please try this recipe and enjoy. This is a perfect recipe for seafood lovers to satisfy their seafood cravings. If you like the recipe, please like, share and comment. Most importantly, please subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon to receive the further notifications from this channel. Thanks for watching. Namaste.